Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna make a template for the client. Tomorrow we're gonna make the design. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it on stream, probably, but it really depends. We have a lot of things to do behind the scenes as well, so couldn't promise that. But yeah, it's good to be back, and let's just immediately start. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make 6 on today in 7 years. And we have stable internet, so I'm very happy about that. Alright. So basically, I already matched some boards. I'm not sure how Pinterest works nowadays, but let me see. We have a lot of things here. It says like visit site. I don't want to visit site. I'm trying to gather the design what I want. So this is basically how I want it. Okay. It's a video. I did not expect that. So can I go full screen with this video? I cannot. That's okay. So we're gonna keep this as a sales page, right? So this is as a reference. So let's pick the other one. Okay, okay. So this is something that we want. So it's gonna be one sales page and might make multiple pages, but we'll see about that. The client did pay for multiple pages, but it might not make sense. So I might motivate the idea, right? Is there like a bigger picture, right? How about the quality? The quality is not good. But let's see. I think this is oh, this is show it. Oh, that's good. Maybe that's actually a good idea to go to show it. So let's do that. Let's go to show it templates for coaches. Oh, that's something. I'm looking for something converting. Like I get this. Oh, I really like that logo. Magnify image. So something like that. So I can make something like that, like a logo or something. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. not sure what font this is. Um, I'm going to save that image. Okay, let's continue. A blanket question. Kind of confusing. Okay, so but store, let's show it. How much? 600? That's crazy. I do like this though. I also like this. So let's keep that here. It's a pretty good, but it's WordPress like. So let's be honest here now. Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry guys. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's a market, man. Oh, I am. I'm seeing some potentials, but look, what is going on? Do people really buy this? Jesus. I'm not gonna say it's bad or anything like that. Let's be honest here. They look converting, so let's click here. View live demo. Okay, there's some good elements here. So I really like this, so we can create something like that, right? So let's paste that. And something like that. I really like those two parts. So we have something, right? Okay. Now I also want to have the mobile versions, obviously, right? Let's be honest here. Okay. But we can do the testimonial as well. It's not bad or anything like that. We can work on that, right? We can definitely work on that. So that's good enough. Okay, so we have three things here. All right, let's write them down. We have the header. We have the hero. We have the about me, and we have the testimonial. Right? So these are the things that we have. Okay. Okay. See this one here. Let's change the color about these two. And let's make this bigger as well. Okay, testimonial. Not sure if I spelled it right, but it doesn't matter for now. It's just we're not going we don't have like a 2,000 euro client, so alright. So that was definitely lucrative. So now let's go back to what we have. Okay. So the next thing what we do have an emotional call. Okay. So we need to focus down on emotional call. Let's see which one has it. Yeah, this is not the board that I've saved. This is home. I want to go to profile and I want to scroll down. And let's see if we have emotional calls. I see images here and I see boards here. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, this is like a fake website. We're not looking for fake websites at the moment. No, not really. Let's see what this is all about. They're like videos, something things we don't really need. Okay. Okay, so for all these, I do not see an emotional call. So let's go back to the show it. Let's see if one of the websites, for example, this one, has an emotional call. Uh, I'm gonna say it, it's not bad, but there's no emotional call. Okay, let's go all the way top. Okay. Okay, so this is a good emotional call. Is it a feel live profile? So let's see. So this is an emotional call, right? Something like this. How does it look on mobile? Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, something like that. Uh, Emotional call. Okay, boom. Now, next. What am I missing? Breakdown of the benefits. Announce your offer. So, the offer. Okay, so there's no real offer here. So let's see if we have an offer. Also, this one looks good. Girl. Um, okay, so this is a clear, this is like the pricing, right? This is pricing, right? Pricing. Okay. So I also want to have this part for the mobile, and then we can, okay. But what do I offer? What do you offer? I like this part. I'm gonna, so I'm gonna take it with me. Okay. Great. Okay, so we had that. Now we can go back to what we had. Okay, so the next one, introduce yourself, share your expertise. Reintroduce your offer. Bonus offer. Just list of benefits. Okay, so we need kind of a call to action and like a contact. Okay, I really like to show it, and definitely that one. Can do something like that. I'm not sure how that looks on mobile though. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, these are like benefits. And then I had another one, which is this one. This is also benefits. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is all for books and those kinds of stuff, but I just want to see this one for a second. Not the image. Is it gone? No. Feel live preview. Okay. Something like that. And then something like that. And then and just like a little end section, right? A little footer, nothing special. This could also be like an about me as an exception. Okay, I think that is about it. And the other pages are going to be the same. Now we have a blog section and a blog section. Yeah, whatever. It's not that important right now. I need to get to know Wix with the blog section, so we're gonna do that now. Okay. Wix blog tutorial.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look
How old is this? 2 years old?
at how you can get started with creating your own blog on Wix. So let's get into it. Now signing up on Wix is very simple. All you need to do is enter your email right over here and you can begin building your blog. Now there are two basic ways that you can get started with kind of website you want to create. You customize it. So that is the first option. The second option is to choose a template. Now creating a template is usually a lot easier creating a template if you're not. Now within templates you have a couple of blog templates, so you have quite a few different options you can pick from. There are multiple different pages. You can even take like a simple website template and then just enter the blog features if it doesn't have that. So if I go into just the business insert, like let's say I go into the here, so if you don't want a prerequisite design which might be used by other, or just to use a basic section and how to build your own blog. So I'm just going to click on edit over here and this will open up the Wix website editor. Now the Wix website editor is super simple and efficient to use. It's very intuitive and it leads you to be able to customize websites first, so this is the template. Now within your template, the first thing I like to do is click on the top left over here. This shows me all of the pages that are present within the template and I can click on manage pages. This opens up the pages section from over here. This is the site menu. They have category and then they have blog pages. So in here we have multiple different categories. Let's say I don't need these categories. So what I will do is I will just click on delete over here. And what I will do is I will just delete all of these pages because I don't want them. So I can just click on delete, delete, delete. And then I'm going to make the blog section visible. So you can click on show over here. So now in the site menu, people can click on home, about me, blog. Now you can go on ahead and begin by adding your own name to your website. And I'm just going to click on edit text. So let's say this is just Jane's food blog, and I can also, change up the size of the font as well. I'm going to select the font. I can make it larger or smaller, however you want to. Arrows. Then below that we have this little picture or a featured blog, and I can click on manage posts over here, and after you add your own posts you can customize this a little better, but we're going to do that at the end after we have finished designing the basic of our website. So you can see this is our home page. It just features a bunch of blogs. Now if you want to change this, you can just go into your home page. So I'm just going to go into my home page. This is our home page. Now this is very simple and basic. Now let's say I want to, this is like my blog section where it's displaying the blogs, so I'm just going to shorten this a little and I will move some of the items over here. I will shorten the section and I might want to change the blog feed, so I want to shorten the blog feed as well. I want people to be able to see all of some of my featured or top blogs at this. It's not too long. And you can see over here we have this section. You can make pages in accordance. I'm going to remove this. So I have just removed this section and now I have this featured image. I can just double click on the image, click on the image over here. This is from the Wix Pro gallery and I can click on settings and I can click on manage media, and then I can choose another image of my own choice instead. So I can go on ahead and delete all of these images that I don't want. I can delete them and then I can click on add media image. And then you can choose to upload your own images, or you can even.
Girl, you're so abstract that I don't know what's happening.
Thank you so much. Do you scroll down to a blog?
Fuck. There's music behind it. Sorry guys.
Something more. Keep it simple.
This seems too old, so I don't want that. Uh,
how you can build a beautiful blog like this with the website builder of Wix. We will go through this step by step. Blog posts, the link to Wix if you sign up, and at the we'll also add some text to it already, and I will skip with that. So here is marketing and blog, how to set up your blog. And we will start with the first step actually to design our site, because we do have to choose a template now. And it is kind of perfect. Of course, you have your blog session view blog. This is the homepage, and here are the blog posts, and you can click on it and get a feeling for this if you like the template. And if you do like it, you can just click on edit. You can add a template, but you call your website, Wix will load. So we can just go in and click edit text and say, you can go on drag, you can dump in my image. So photos of Wix or from Unsplash, click on change background and Wix will put in my image. So this top part is already customized to my page. In WordPress, so paragraph, link the button, then you would go.
Bro, when you say how to create a blog, I don't want to see any of this shit.
To the next section. You can always add or a contact section if people boxes gallery homepage, and then Wix will bring up some text. This is definitely help you to manage our blog with Wix. So I keep the first Wix, but in this tutorial we actually want to see how to manage our blog with Wix. So I keep the first.
So the first 5 minutes he wasted our time. So this could have been a 5-minute video.
First part on the website really short, and let's jump to the second part, how to add our blog to our Wix site. And we can do this by going to the app market of Wix, because Wix builds its own apps. So we can just go here and type in blog, and then we will see, okay, here's the Wix blog app, and then we can go ahead and install this. And this is what I meant with, you can add the blog to any page, to your online store, to your website from Wix. This is just an app like you would add on your phone. Just add it to your website, and then the whole functionality of the blog will be added to your site. So we can click on open, and now Wix is adding the blog here, and you see the menu item just appeared here, and we will have the blog.
That's what I don't like. I want to have the option, but I probably only can do that with Wix Studio. So
Blog here, and this is the blog page now. Here we see some dummy posts, so now you can blog from everywhere, grow your blog community. So it always gives you 3 dummy posts, and of course we want to add now our own blog. But just to make sure that you've got the step, so we just added the app my blog to the website, and now you can see here in my business you see Wix blog, and from here you can create the post, manage the post, and so on. And we have the menu item here, blog, and you can always navigate to it by just
what happened? What was the pop?
Going from the homepage to the blog. And now you can just click on it and click on manage post, and this will bring us back to the dashboard of Wix, and here is where we can edit our blog post. And let's start by creating our own new blog post. And this is the editor where we upload our content for the blog. So we can add a title, and we can add here the content of the blog. But before we start, I want to show you the AI tools, because we can now have the AI write a blog post for us. And this is pretty cool, because then you don't have me who's not on blog post on website with. So for example, I create sticker how the AI will this was under a minute, and now we have our headline here, we have our first paragraph, getting started, select the right template, then we have our image. Okay, you can tell this is an AI image, but well, okay, we can change that of course, and now we can go in and make it our own. For example, getting started, let's put a 1 before that, and then an AI generate an image for us. Or for example, we can place a video in my YouTube. Cool, right, make it affiliate options on how the link should behave, and then click save. And if you, for example, an affiliate like me, you can link your affiliate links here, so you can enter the link. If you want to have it more visual, you can of course add a button, so you can just click a button here and then go here.
Okay, so there's like an editor within an editor. Okay, so when it comes to Wix, I do not recommend that. So Wix is out of the picture when it comes to having a standard.
Here and say link someone is on your blog, and click content, use buttons and gallery something which is might be used. You will get which is on like, but yeah, we do have to put it in so site. So for example, if someone goes to Google how to create But most important, you have your SEO here, and the SEO is for Google, that it will find your site. So for example, if someone goes to Google how to create a blog with Wix, then this is the meta title and this is the description. And of course we do have to put it in. So we go to our blog here and we put in the title, and there should be something like Wix website or Wix blog inside the title as the keyword, and we have our meta description, and we should also place some keywords in there. And this is the URL, and this should be short, so I would go with Wix website just to keep it short and simple. And one more thing, you can go back to the settings and you can also put your blog into a category or put website, something like, for example, be cool, you can coming to your blog for signing up for a subscription, and they can pay you some money for getting access to your blog articles. Click save or publish, and then the blog post will be live directly, or I can schedule the post noon and then see all my posts. So this in draft. You also have your categories if you have a freelance ties with ads. I do like it a lot from Wix that they have all these options. I also set up my own website with Wix, and I'm pretty happy with my blog, and as you can see, it also gets a lot of views. So a lot of people out there say you do have to have a WordPress blog to get some views, but that's simply not true. Find the link to Wix, your website, and then just add the blog.
So the most important where that is a jerk off material he didn't show,
For example,
um,
everything.
which is the part that you link your website to the other part. Yeah, you can use tags for this and then select a relevant tag on the blog page. Yeah, right. That's my. What what the what the hell? Link post with blog.
In this Wix tutorial, we're going to either the first part of
Yeah.
tags here if you wanted. The monetization features are some to selected posts. However, worry blog multilingual, probably also something you're not too worried about. Basically, you want to know how you can add posts, add in the title, add this, maybe a couple of settings, and be able to write, edit, link, and of course, publish your post. Before we click publish, let's see what's in the dots. So if you want to save it as a draft, you just drop that down, save as a draft, come back to it later to finish it. You can schedule your post from here without immediately publishing. Look at the post history. You can even duplicate a post. To do that right here easily just by going into the original and duplicate it and then kind of edit it from there. But all in all, then we can publish our post. And once we've published our post, it might tell you, hey, here's how you can promote it. We don't care about that. We can click the X. We see the post right here. And then actually, because this is a light box, we can just click the X button on our dashboard here. And we're going to go back here. It might take a sec. There it is. It'll load in. And now we have the burgers post here on our blog. We can go to preview. And you can see up here, I had the categories in on this blog. So the burgers category now exists. We've got this burgers post. We could click on it. It took our featured image in there, and that's what shows here. So we're going to load up this burgers post, and you can see this is what we typed in. As we scroll down, remember we selected those recent posts, or we selected the related posts, and those are going to show up down here as well. So if you don't select any, it might just show the recent posts down there. All of that controllable, but we won't get into all the blog stuff. I just want. That's the same thing as clicking this plus. As you're building your post, you can add any of these elements in a food blog. So what?
Okay, it seems like the only option to get something going is to say like, hey man, I need to do it myself because they are this is just really bad. I feel like they have no idea what they're talking about. So, um, this guy, yeah, not already. totally forgot about that pin. Okay, great. Now that we know that, we know how to make a blog, and we also have like how we're gonna do it. You're gonna have to choose a font and you have to choose a color. I think I need to tell the client like, hey, the purple one is probably out of the picture. So I'm gonna color match this. Let me see, what color is this? Paint 3D probably has this. Why are you going here? I have that app installed. Windows be like, paste, and there's nothing to paste. Great. Let's try that again. Because that is not white, right? Or is it? Seems like it. I would tend to disagree though. Let's see if I copy this, if it happens. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's assume this one. Hex. See my color codes. Why are you not pasting? Can I not type, or why can I not type? Trash. Choose. Get info. Okay. So what I want to know is if I okay, there's some kind of purple here that I can match, but it's like okay, so I have to disappoint the client that purple, hard purple is not a thing. Color matcher. Is there uh color, contrast, filter, try for free, create. It's a Berlin, okay. Okay, I understand that, but let's assume this one. No. Okay. Okay, so there's no such thing. Right, but this is the color combinations tester. Okay. I want to have something purple. Choose. But do they match? What the fuck is going on? I think I have to disappoint the client for this. Let me ask GBT. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? I have them. I have it right here. So I just want to check. Choose. See, ChatGPT is just, it's always hallucinating. I am not a fan of ChatGPT at all, guys. I'm just gonna be very honest. It's so shit. Okay, this one can work, right? The amethyst, what's it called? Lavender purple. That can work. Yeah, let me get this one. Okay. Okay. I think that's about it for this client. I'm gonna make it tomorrow. Let's see how the blog will turn out. I'm not sure. We're just gonna make it and we'll see. I'm gonna make it close to something like this, really. I don't wanna go too much away from what we have. Yeah. Hmm. I think that's about it. Yeah, I do have to find some pictures, but I can do that while I'm making the website. Okay, so we need something close like this. So we're gonna pick a template on Wix and we're gonna build on top of that. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow. And so yeah, that is it for this one. So we're gonna do. I think that's it for today. I'm done. Yeah, because I've not been swimming for a while and I'm getting annoyed. So probably because of the videos. So we're gonna continue tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today in 7 years, and I will see you on to the next one.